Magandang hapon po ng Friday, October 27, 2023 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games sa 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Friday, October 27, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 27, 2023 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto for Friday, October 27, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 68 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for October 27, 2023, Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Friday, October 27, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.